Okay guys, look at this mess. Somebody had fun with the dog water. Got it all the way up, halfway up the buffet. It was full. I was busy making quinoa. Don't mind my oven, I spilled quinoa all over it. I'm not around for the day. It's got another minute. I've never made quinoa before. I'm not even sure if it's done. She's in her high chair. She's hungry monkey. Gotta clean up this mess. My dog water mess, her dog water mess. And then I can feed her.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old.
Hey guys, so I just let the dogs out. My hair like air dried and it is nuts when I let it air dry and don't blow dry it. But little miss got a bath and now she's getting into some trouble. This is what I made for dinner: green beans and scallops. Yum, with just water, not coffee. I already had a coffee for the day. Since we're trying to get pregnant, I'm only having one per day. And I will show you what I'm working on. I've laid this all out. This collage. Finally got the pictures. I just gotta put them in. This one's too big, so I gotta order it in a different size. And then these are gonna go on that one. That one's done. Those with that one. Those with that one. And then this one and this one. So just gonna do that. I'm gonna get that done tonight, hopefully, and then hang it up tomorrow. Okay guys, so I ran to the store when we had PT earlier, and then I ran to the store. Oh my gosh, I did not expect to get this much stuff. Absolutely insanity. But I'm gonna let Ryan carry in the water, baby water in the water. And then I'm gonna get everything else and I'll do a little Walmart haul for you guys. Alright. Because we're supposed to get a blizzard tomorrow. So, I went a little overboard. Bubble bath. Top. Starbucks caramel macchiato. This is my absolute favorite iced coffee. Okay, that is something I splurge on. Herbal essences. Bunani, a baby in the background screaming. Simple wipes for sensitive skin. Baby food. Just doing a quick one. I guess I can put these away. 5-layer burrito. I bought like a lot of frozen's. Stouffer's 5 cheese lasagna, lemon pepper fish, lean cuisine, mushrooms, mozzarella ravioli, mozzarella cheese sticks. All this will go downstairs. Bread that I smashed. Milk. Christmas, marshmallow lovers, hot chocolate, nutty butters for Ryan. Fudge round for Ryan. For him to take to work. Tony's pizza for Ryan. Noodles. And extra broad. Those are my absolute favorite. So I'm just trying to like bang this out so that I can make dinner. Because I have a phone conference at 8 o'clock. And these are my favorite. I like the ones with, well, the turkey pinwheel. A bunani, apples, mushrooms, tomatoes, red peppers, pears, strawberries and blueberries. Somebody is ready to get out of her. Come on, Bobby. Alright. Beef fajitas. Uncle Ben's rice. White and Spanish. We just got key lime pie, banana cream pie, and that's it. I got these new sweet potatoes you can cook in the microwave, and then the white ones. Sweet tea, corn, organic, and Great Value sliced carrots. Just buying more stuff at Remington to have mashed up. I love these Healthy Choice Cafe steamers. I got the beef merlat. I like the tortellini, but they did not have those. And just solid white tuna. Baby. Okay. Let me see this arm. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, no. Got me some all-natural cranberry pomegranate juice. Like 5 of these. Ryan takes these to work every day. The Michelle's mac and cheese. Instead of buying something and going out, those are 98 cents. Bacon, thick cut. Oh, hold on, baby. Come here. Orange chicken, General Tso's. I do that with the white rice. More cafe steamers, 4 cheese chicken ravioli. All that's gonna go down there. Hold on, Bubs. potatoes. There's the roasted garlic. Pork cheese mashed potatoes. Spinach. Love that. Somebody's gonna get into the fridge. What? She's not happy. Okay, guys. Gotta hurry. Baby carrots. Ortega things to make new steak fajitas, beefaroni, and another Mountain Dew. And that's what happens when you are in a hurry. Alright guys, that's my haul for tonight. I pretty much already went grocery shopping this month, but I bought a lot of stuff for Ryan and not anything for me. So the store was absolutely insane. Picked a terrible night to go, but if we're gonna be stuck in the house, I want food for me and food for Remy, for sure. So she's not happy, guys. Alright, gotta tend to my baby. Then we'll talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, just got done with my conference call, and that was really fun. That's a fun group of ladies I just had a conference call with. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you soon. Bye guys!